Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a hidden gem right in the heart of Hyderabad, the Isha Life, brought to life by Sadhguru and the Isha Foundation. Situated away in Jubilee Hills, this space isn't just a store, it's an experience. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by calm, earthy aesthetics and a deep sense of serenity. It almost feels like time slows down here. You'll find a beautifully curated collection of wellness products, from organic cotton clothes and handmade soaps to herbal teas, copper vessels, and Sadhguru's books and music. There's also a restaurant named Mahamudra that offers pure sattvic food. Everything here is inspired by ancient yogic science and natural living.